watchers and subscribers of our channel My Jewelry and Decor. We are glad to inform you that the new year has already begun. As you can see, we are celebrating its start. My Jewelry and Decor has been existing for 18 months. What may we be proud of? Our channel has more than 2,000 views. Besides, all videos have many comments, and we are very appreciative. By the way, don't forget to subscribe because some of our videos can be in restricted access, and you will miss new ones. We wish all of you health, happiness, and prosperity. Happy New Year!